Are stock market flotations back in fashion in Frankfurt? The German clothing company Tom Tailor is making its debut on the German stock exchange, the DAX. Market staff and managers are ready. The head of issuer and investor markets at the DAX is Martin Steinbach. He helps out companies issuing stock on the market for the first time.
We've had 4 stock market flotations in 6 days, and really big ones at that. When it comes to volume, we're probably going to be the leading market in Europe for the first quarter. We're estimating their total about 2 billion euros.
The Hamburg-based fashion company makes casual wear for the young and those still young at heart. Anticipation is high as Tom Tailor's executives wait to find out the opening price. It's just after 9. Trading has opened for the day. The place is as bustling as a fashion show. Tom Tailor's management didn't expect this level of interest. But perhaps it's a sign that going public is becoming more attractive again. Then the announcement everyone was waiting for.
Yeah.
Tom Tailor opened selling at 13 euros per share, the same as the issue price for the fashion company stock. The first step onto the trading floor was more of a modest stride than a leap, but it's early days.
We're really curious about the market's opinion today because more than 5,000 traders from 19 countries are taking part in this auction. That's a lot more parties than are attracted in conjunction with the book-building phase for banks and typical issuers.
Back at Tom Tailor, they're in the mood to celebrate anyway. A public offering is a sign that a company is successful.
We started out with just a desk and a telephone that we bought at a pawn shop for 80 Deutschmarks. I'll never forget it. That was back in 1962. Back then, our merchandise came from Asia, and we unloaded the trucks ourselves. That's how we got started, and now we're in this revered institution, the stock market, trading shares.
By 10:30, the price has risen to 13 euros and 1 cent. The company has plans for the earnings from the sale.
In recent years, we've shown that we've been able to outperform the market, even under difficult market conditions. With the funds we bring in through the IPO, we'll be in a position to accelerate this growth, and we're going to go ahead and do that.
Up to now, the fashion company's operations have included around 90 of its own shops. Tom Tailor is planning to open additional stores. And with what is pocketed on the market, some 164 million euros, the company is also planning to pay its debts. The managing executives head back to company headquarters before the morning is over. They're going to celebrate the IPO at home with their employees in Hamburg. Even the mannequins are leaving the floor. Routine returns to the market even before the first day of Tom Tailor trading is over. By closing time, a share was selling for 12 euros and 85 cents. And not only the company was euphoric about the launch. Martin Steinbach of the DAX also made an upbeat assessment.
If you take a look at the board and see the way the price has developed, it topped out at 13.08 and the low was 12.77 euros. So it was moving around the issue price, and that's a very stable development for the company.
Just as in fashion, it's ultimately the customer who determines what is in.